Hey, what's up everybody? I'm showing you how to make a super simple main menu super quickly. So first we're going to go ahead into our hierarchy, create a UI and a canvas, which is down here. Rename our canvas to our main menu. I'm going to go ahead and right click on our main canvas, UI, and we're going to go ahead and click image. It's going to give us our white square here. We're going to go ahead and set our width to 1920 and our height to 1080. It should look something like this. And I'm going to go ahead and shrink it down by holding one of the corners, holding Alt and then shrink it down. And I'm just going to set it in the center here. And this looks like something like this. We're going to make it look nicer by making it go a little grey. Like so. I'm actually going to make it a bit bigger. And we're going to go ahead and click on the main camera and click on this color. I'm going to change the background color. Once you've done that, click on the image and right click it, click UI and then Text Mesh Pro. And then we're just going to go ahead and drag this text here to the top like this. That looks something like that. I'm going to go ahead and rename it to main menu. This looks quite nice. I'm going to go ahead and resize our font here. Go ahead and stretch this out. Go ahead and drag this up. And it should look something like this. Go ahead and click on your image again. Right click it, go to UI, and I'm going to write a button, but Text Mesh Pro as well. We're going to go ahead and drag this up like this, and we're going to go ahead and resize it to something like that. Go ahead and rename it from button by going to text and renaming it to play. If you go down here, you can also resize the font, and you can also change the color to make it even more black, and you can also make it bold. Once we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and undrop our button. I'm going to go and copy it 2 more times. I'm going to rename all of these, so I'm going to rename the top one to play, the second one to options, just like so, and the third one to exit. Once you've done that, go ahead and drop down your exit and rename it to exit. Click on your move tool and drag it to the bottom. Make sure you're dragging the actual exit button like that. Drag down your options as well. I'm going to also be renaming our options button to options. It should look something like this. Let's get into scripts to make it look nicer. So what we can do is we're going to go ahead and click on our main menu here, add a component. I'm going to call this our main menu controller. Go ahead and click create and add, and it should add a script. Double click to open up Visual Studio, and we're only going to be writing 2 simple scripts. The first one is, let me just clean up a second. The first one is our load level, so our public integer, and we'll call this brackets here to load next level. So. You're not going to need brackets, I don't know why I put brackets. And then also, before we get started on writing it, we are going to be using scenes, so this is going to take us to our level 1 scene. So we're going to make sure we're using our scene management at the top here. So using Unity Engine.scene management. We're not going to be needing our void or start, and we're going to go ahead and create a new public void called load next level. And the reason it's public and not private is we're going to be needing to access this script later outside of this script. Once you've wrote public void load next level, we're going to be accessing our scene manager dot load scene. Then we're going to be writing in our load next level. So yeah, so that's this bit done. We're going to be writing a new public void, and this is so we can quit our game. We're going to be putting this on our exit button. So we're just going to write public void, and we're just going to go quit game. And we're just going to go ahead and do this. We're going to put in here application dot quit, and then that. Because we're in the editor, we can't actually quit when pressing the button, so we're going to do a simple debug.log telling me that I quit the game when pressed. Go ahead and save this, go back into Unity, and you're going to go ahead and drop down the image, click on play, click on the play plus button, and we're going to drag in our main menu. Go here, main menu controller, and we're going to click on load next level. That is going to load the next level. I'm going to go to our exit button, add a new on-click event, drag in our main menu again, go to main menu controller, and we're going to click on our quit game. This should quit the game. So if we go ahead and load our game here, click on exit, you can see it gives me a debug.log statement saying quit the game, so it does in fact work. If we hit play, I haven't actually got a scene yet, so it's just going to reload the same scene I'm on now. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and set up our options menu. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste our main menu, like so. I'm going to rename our main menu by here, click on it and have two options menu. Okay, and then drop that down, and then drop the image down. Because it is this, we're not going to be needing our play and options, we're only going to be needing our exit. We're actually going to name our exit to our back button, so back, and then our exit to back. So we can see what we're doing. We're gonna turn off our main menu by clicking on the main menu, inspector, and unchecking that. So this is what it looks like so far. We're going to click on our text here. I'm actually going to rename this to our header with one R. I'm going to rename this to options, and you can drag that out here. There we go. And we're going to need to set up our back button, so when we click on our options, it will send us back. And we're not actually going to be needing to do any scripts for this. We're just going to add on an on-click event on our back button, drag our options menu onto this, click game object, set active false, drag it on our main menu by creating another one, main menu, no function, to game object, set active true. Now we're going to do this the other way around. So options menu, we're going to hide that real quick, unhide this. I'm going to go ahead and do it the other way around now. So click on our options button here, create two on-click events, drag in our options menu here, and our main menu here, and now we want to go from main menu true, no, main menu false to main menu true, or options menu true. Now if we go ahead and hit play to test it out, the play button won't work for me because I only have one scene, which is our main menu. We have our options menu, which works, and our quit button. That is a simple main menu to do, and it was super fast. If this helped, make sure to subscribe, as I'm trying to get to 40. I'm on 35, I'm super close, and it only takes 1 second to subscribe. And yeah, see you there.